Our final speaker for today is Dr. Rajendra Singh. Popularly known as the Waterman of India, he is the recipient of Magsaysay Award and Swedish Water Prize. He has been working with communities across the world to free their rivers from exploitation, encroachment, and pollution so that they may bring life to earth. Today, he will talk about the Himalayan ecosystems that are the birthplace of thousands of springs and many rivers. For this friend of mine, for over the last 15 years, language has never been the barrier to communicate as he connects with his heart and energy wherever he goes. Dr. Rajendra Singh, we look forward to listening to you next.
Thank you very much, Anupam. You came very nicely coordinating and conducting this program. Uh, Himalaya. Today, the greenery of Himalaya and purity of Ganga. More than thousands and thousands of springs from Himalaya making a holy river Ganga. Today, the Himalaya is moving to barren Himalaya, losing greenery, losing soil. The Char Dham Yatra road, the total in Uttarakhand and Himalaya is not our sacred. Himalaya now the new face creating by the government or by the corporate. The Himalaya now a tourist place, not sacred, not pilgrim. For the government, Himalaya is nothing. Just they are looking for some income by tourism. So this is a real challenge and threat today on Himalaya. A very high level erosion and the all old springs dry and dead. So really this is a great Himalaya in India is facing lot of problem. And the water of Himalaya and youth of Himalaya and greenery of Himalaya all displacing and destruction. Destruction of dam, destruction of mining, all type of the destruction continue today and a very fast destruction. So the three challenges for our Himalaya. One is encroachment, the very high level encroachment everywhere in the Himalaya. Second is pollution. And third is over exploitation of minerals, water. So no environmental flow today in the Himalayan rivers. So Himalaya Marine Balela discussing in the Earth Charter basically about the Earth community. But Himalaya community is now really very much distressing. And today, really, if we are thinking about the Himalaya communities, know right about the rivers and about the mountains for the communities. So today, no community driven decentralized management in Himalaya. The everything encroaching by the governments. So due to this greediness of the government, they are creating the center of power, and the center of power always destroy the energy of greenery and flow of rivers. So today, this is the crisis. Marin Balala really mentioned about the Earth Charter, and Joseph Al Camo discussing about the Himalaya forest very nicely. He is putting the ecosystem disaster of Himalaya and losing ecosystem and creating climate change very quick, very fast. Now, nowhere we can't assume when the rain is coming, when the ice is coming. So no local wisdom assessing these changes, because these changes is really new changes. And Deepak Gawali, he is putting the real picture of Himalaya, and he is very nicely say the real pain of the community of Himalaya, the people of Himalaya, and the government's power is creating displacement of community and destruction and disaster. But these ethical responsibility to Himalaya, he putting nicely. But ethical responsibility of Himalaya, now the Indian government responsibility and realization, they not have. So if the government is creating destruction and disaster for the corporate, for the multinational company, so the community can't do anything. Anant Kumar Giri, he reminds us to Himalaya and Buddha, and he is putting very nicely the picture of Buddha and Himalaya. And one hand, the wooden bridge and cement concrete bridge. What is the difference? The Himalaya community never advocating for the concrete bridge. They like the wooden bridge. But this government or this corporate driven democracy is not like the small is beautiful. They like every time bigger, bigger, bigger. So this crisis is uh, really damaging to Himalaya. Walter White putting a picture and putting the pain of Himalaya in his presentation. Pema is also putting the picture of all Himalaya, because she is related with an international organization. So he have a good picture of Himalaya, good and bad, all type of the picture he have and he put. David Barry, a really emotional and truth of Himalaya putting us. So today I can say the all speaker putting a greatness and weakness, and one hand the pupil is moving toward for the greedy development, and development not thinking for the nourishment of Himalaya. The greediness and development are always creating disaster. So this is our moral responsibility. This is our ethical responsibility. What is the way we can stop this continuously disaster going on for Himalaya? If we are not doing that, if we are not really playing this responsibility, so our next generation, think about the next generation, what they say about us. वो हमें कभी माफ नहीं करेंगे. वो कहेंगे कि उनको जो हिमालय दिया था, उनको जो गंगा दी थी, वो उन्होंने मार दिया. ना हिमालय की हरियाली बची और ना गंगा की पवित्रता बची. दोस्तों, हमने अपनी मां गंगा के लिए अपना एक बहुत गहरा दोस्त प्रोफेसर जीडी अग्रवाल स्वामी सानंद को खोया. उनके जाने की बहुत एंगरनेस है, क्योंकि इस सरकार ने कभी भी उनको सुना नहीं. ही इज ए ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट and environmentalist, but nobody listening him. So today, the voice in Himalaya, the voice of Himalaya is going away. We can think what is our ethical responsibility. What is the responsibility? Who is thinking about the Himalayan rivers? If we are not playing our role now for Himalaya, so Himalaya going die. So my dear friends, all of the friends, I give the thanks today. You really give the light and energy. The power is always violent, but the light and energy is non-violent, and the power and energy always give the respect to the diversity and the diversity of ideas and diversity of action. So you are really done great job today in this conference. Anupam, you are really done a wonderful work. And today I listening to every speaker. Every speaker give a really nice depth, inner picture of Himalaya. And the emotional, cultural, spiritual, physical, economical, all type of the relationship with Himalaya putting today. So I can say, Anupam, if you can make a report on this all discussion, so it is a light for our future generation. Thank you very much. Thank you for everyone. Anupam, now this floor in your hands.